All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today, we're doing another Daily Dash. We're driving to the gym right now. I was trying to look for I've been struggling to find topics to talk about. So if you guys know any good topics that you want me to talk about, comment them in the comments down below. But then I came across this video of this DoorDash driver drinking someone's milkshake seconds before he hands it to them on their porch. And it is literally all caught on someone's Ring camera. So I'm going to play that clip real quick for you right now.
Sipping some milkshake before he delivers it. So he works for Doordash, you know, the app that you order some food and they bring it to your house. So he was delivering some food and he tried the milkshake that he was supposed to deliver. Well, actually he delivered it, but not before he took a sip and tried it himself.
Now that homeowner says the drink was actually for his 14-year-old son.
Okay, so that is, it's disgraceful for sure, to say the least. But honestly, it's almost funny because of how dumb it is. Like, come on, man. What are you doing? Why would you drink their milkshake right before you handed it to them? Maybe he just really did not give a shit. Because I know there's some people out there who, like, I've known some people who are, when they get to like the end of their job and they're like, I'm not gonna do this anymore, they just do some dumb stuff. But man, drinking a milkshake right before you handed it to a customer, I feel weird, like, just handing a customer a drink with a straw in it, you know? Like, I don't put the straw in the drink before I hand it to them. And if I was to do that, I would leave the plastic on top still. I would, like, remove half of it or something. There's been a few instances where I would do that, but I don't know. It's just kind of... Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Like, oh my god, that's so ridiculous. But anyway, so we're doing some DoorDash. I obviously forgot to put my seatbelt on the rest of this drive. Doing some DoorDash. It is plus $3 right now in Green Valley, so we're driving over to that area. But on the way, we're gonna drink some pre-workout. And this is my second video that I'm filming today because I'm going to Southern California tomorrow to do Tony Ferguson's training camp with him. First day of training camp. I'm pretty excited. Gonna get my butt kicked probably, and probably sweat more than I have in the last like 2 months. But anyway, so comment down below. Here's my question of the day for anyone who watches UFC. Who's your favorite UFC fighter? You can all say Tony Ferguson if you want to, but if you don't want to, that's fine. Just let me know. Who are your guys' favorite person to watch? Is it Conor McGregor? Is it John Jones? Who is it? Anyways, alright, so we haven't gotten an order yet. It seems like anytime it's plus like $3 or $4 or some ridiculous amount, it seems like it's always harder for me to get deliveries. Is it like for you guys? Because I don't know. Maybe everyone sees it and I wonder if DoorDash is allowing more people on than they used to. Because I remember about a year ago, before COVID and everything, it was like impossible to get a shift. But now, it seems like I can almost always log in. Like, the only time that I can't log in, usually I can log in like a minute or so right after that. So I wonder if DoorDash has upped the amount. Well, obviously they increased their revenue by 5 times of what they used to be. And if you guys watch the comparison video of richest driving companies, yeah, so Ubereats and Uber were combined in that video, so I made a mistake. DoorDash is still the biggest delivery company, and it's significantly bigger. So it outdoes Uber Eats by around $800 million or so. But Uber Eats is coming in pretty close, you know. I personally just have never really ordered from them. I've never drove for them. I drove for Uber way back in the day. But anyways, I'll get back to you guys when we get an order. Real quick, while we're on the way, I like to throw in the fitness facts for you guys every once in a while, because I know a lot of people who are trying to get in better shape that watch my channel. Here's a fun fact for you. Did you know that about 3,500 calories deficient, I think I said that wrong. If you're 3,500 calories deficient over, like, let's say a week period of time or so, let's say you need to burn 2,000 calories a day, which is pretty average for a normal human, but you only eat 1,500 every single day. After 1 week, you will burn 1 pound of fat. there's a nice little statistic for you. So 3,500 calories equals 1 pound of body fat. So if you guys are interested in losing weight, figure out how many calories you burn per day. You can probably average it around 2,000 or so, depending on how big you are. You can probably just type in your size and weight and everything on Google and figure it out. And they'll give you a more specific number, but average human's probably around 2,000 calories is how much you burn per day. So just figure you gotta eat 1,500 calories and you'll burn 1 pound per week. You can burn more than that if you're gonna do, like, let's say you work out like 2 to 3 times a day. For me, I lose like 2 to 3 pounds a week when I really want to lose some fat. And that is mostly because I do intermittent fasting and I work out 2 to 3 times a day. And I always do, like, if I want to shred weight, I will just go to the pool at 10 o'clock every night, or 9 or 10 or so, and swim like a quarter mile or so. And then usually just doing that burns off enough calories to where I don't even have to think about my calories. But anyways, just like to throw in those fun facts for you guys. All right, also, I have a question for you guys. Help me out here. I want to make some products, like DoorDashing related products. Like a few that pop into mind are water bottles, pepper spray, and masks. Let me know if you guys can think of any products that you guys would like to have while you're driving around. And also, I'm not sure if I want to put Off Access logo on them or if I want to have a DoorDash business, not really business, but like, should I put the DailyDash on them, or what should I do? I'm not sure. If you guys have any bright ideas, let me know in the comments down below. Got a Chipotle, or never mind, I'm not gonna show you. I'm driving on the freeway. I was in the gym for like 5 minutes, and then I got this order for Chipotle that literally goes exactly back to my house. And I was in there for like 10 minutes or so. And the sun's already going down. And I was trying not to film it, or not to film right now, because like the sun is so bad. And anyway, so we got a $10 for 6 miles, but it goes exactly back to my house. That's what we're doing right now. Comment down below. Do you guys put your food in your front seat or in your back seat? I've been lately putting it in the back seat because I have a little bag back there that I put it in. And it kind of just keeps it simple, that way it's not up in my front seat. Even though if there is drinks and stuff, I always put it in my front seat, because just in case like I turn too fast or something, like I can at least grab them and make sure that they don't flip over. But yeah, I don't know. I kind of want to like make my own either like driver bags, or I don't know, what would you guys want to, what would make your drive more convenient? If you guys have any ideas, let me know in the comments down below, because I've thought of a few things to sell, not sell, but like a few things that would help out my drive and stuff. But let me know what you guys think, because yeah, I don't know, I just feel like I'm selling acrobatic shoes to people who typically drive for DoorDash and stuff, and that's typically probably not, I mean, not that many people buy the shoes. But if you guys haven't yet, of course, check out offaccessacrobatics.com. That is my footwear company. And I think our shoes are great for especially people that have flat feet. Like if you have flat feet, our shoes are a game changer. They're gonna make your feet much stronger. They're gonna give your foot a much better, like you're gonna be walking around in a perfect range of motion all day long. And barefoot, like when you think of like cavemen and stuff, they were walking around barefoot, you know? So like our feet were formed over long, I don't even know where I'm going with this. Anyways, but when you think about like a caveman or something, they weren't walking around with like freaking gigantic soles on their feet, you know? The soles really limit your range of motion. So if you guys haven't yet, check out offaccessacrobatics.com. And I'll be right back because the sun is like so bright right now. All right, real quick. I'm about to drop off this order. So Para, if you guys haven't heard of the Para app, I'm gonna start. I have a link down below in the description of all my videos to download the Para app. So the Para app, because I haven't talked about it before, I just kind of threw it in there because it's still under beta testing and stuff. So basically this app is going to tell you exactly how much money you've made like every year. So for me, it shows me $6. That's how much I made today so far, which is nothing, I know. I still haven't completed this dash yet. Then it says $57 for the week, For the month, I've made $1,029, and for the year, $2,693.06. That shows me exactly how much I've made. And then it shows me, I don't know why it doesn't show me Postmates, because, well, it should show Postmates because I just made $11 the other day on Postmates. And then there's a few different things you can do, and they're working on a community section where you guys can like kind of chat with other drivers that are in your local community and all that stuff. So go check out the Para app. It's called P-A-R-A. You can download it. It's in my description. There's a link for Android and there's a link for iPhone. So go check it out. But we are about to pull up to this place. It is apartment complexes, and we are about to run out of light. So I'm going to wrap up this video right here. Sorry if it was a little short today, but we'll see you guys in the next one. Tomorrow we should be dashing in California. So change up of scenery for a bit. All right, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Smash the like button, subscribe. Peace.